Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on TRX coin. First of all, I want to thank you all guys and gals that today I have crossed more than 3,000 subscribers, and this is only because of your love and support, and I'm expecting that this love and support will be more increased in the future as well. Now let's start the video. First of all, I want to give you some recap. In my previous video, we have seen this announcement of launch of Just Swap by the Justin Sun, and we have already seen that this announcement was added on the Twitter on 21st of July. You can see here. And if we move to the coin market cap, then we can observe that on 21st of July, the market cap of TRX coin was $1.17 billion. Then it was increased by 1.19 billion, then 1.33 billion, then 1.38, and today it is at 1.392, almost $1.4 billion. So the traders and investors are getting more and more interested to buy and hold the TRX. And today they have announced another big event, and that is the KLV, or Klever Tagging Reward. And if we click on this link that they have provided in the tweet, then it will lead you to Klever.io, and if we click on the white paper, then it will lead you to the complete details about the KLV coin. Now this is the table of content, and you can see we are at this phase of this project, that is KLV operating system, the OS, and KLV application, KLV swap and exchange, and labs, and KLV coin, the KLV. And if you want to read more details, you can move here. I just want to show you some of the clips from the roadmap of this project. And this is the roadmap. And you can see that this project was started back in 2017. And at this time, we are at this phase. That is the Klever operating system, the KLV application 4.0. At this time we are at 3.0, and it will be upgraded to 4.0, and Klever referral program, and then KLV's tagging program, and the new website as well. Now if we move to the live chart to see the current situation of the price action, what the price action is doing at this time, then on the daily chart, we've already seen in my previous video as well that the price action was moving up after hitting at this support. Let me take you to my previous chart that I shared with you. At that time, the price action was just moving up after hitting at this support. At this time, it is moved more up and very close to this resistance of this up channel. Now, if we place the moon phases indicator on this chart to predict whether the price action will break out the resistance or break down the support, then at this time we have some bearish signals. For example, we have this new full moon, or you can call it a bullish moon as well, that is appeared below this resistance of the channel. And if we watch the previous dark moon, then it is appeared lower than the previous dark moon, below the support of this channel. Therefore, it is indicating that the price action can move up to this level. But as you can see that this dark moon is quite old, and it was appeared on this candlestick, and the distance from the one dark moon to another dark moon and one full moon to another full moon is almost 29.5 days. For example, I'm just placing this measurement tool from this candlestick. When this dark moon was appeared, then it can be easily noticed that this dark moon is appeared almost 27 days ago. So only 1 or 2 days are left in appearance of the new dark moon. And this is the fresh new full moon that is appeared at this level. I'm expecting that now the next dark moon will be appeared more closer to this support, or maybe inside the support of the channel. If it will be appeared more above than this dark moon, then that will be a bullish signal, and we can expect that after that the new full moon will be appeared above this resistance of the channel, and after that it will be confirmed that the price action can break out this resistance of the channel. Now if we watch this directional movement indicator, then it is giving a very strong bullish signal at this time. You can see that this is the directional indicator, positive directional indicator, this blue one, and this orange one is the negative directional indicator. And the positive directional indicator has crossed up this negative directional indicator, and this red one is the ADX that is moving up, that shows the power of bulls or bears. For example, at this time we have this bullish line that is the positive directional indicator, and if this ADX will be moved up, then it will be showing the power of bulls. For example, if we would have this orange line, that bearish line, the negative directional indicator above this positive directional indicator, then this ADX would be showing the power of bears. So we can expect that when it will be moved up and we would have this positive directional indicator above this negative directional indicator at that time as well, then it will be still showing the power of bulls. So this is very strong bullish signal at this time, and it is getting more stronger and stronger as this ADX is moving up. Now if we watch this this very important chart, for example, here it can be observed that the price action first formed a round shape body of the cup and retraced back on the support, and it is moving up. Now this movement is a bit exceptional than the previous upward moves within this channel. For example, this time the price action has formed a perfect cup and handle pattern. For example, this is the round shape without any hard corner, you can see, and the price action found a support here, moved up, and found a resistance at this level and moved down. And here I have placed this retracement tool, Fibonacci retracement from the support up to this resistance of the cup, and you can see the price action is retraced between 0.382 to 0.50. Even it has spiked between 0.50 to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Then it has moved up as it is a bullish reversal pattern, and the price action has reversed bullish, and it has broken out the resistance of this handle of the cup, and after that it has also broken out this resistance of the cup. Now after this bullish divergence from this potential reversal zone, because this handle of the cup is the potential reversal zone of this cup and handle formation or pattern, and then we can expect that the price action can move now more up, because this is an exceptional movement of the price action within this up channel that has been formed on this daily chart. And we can expect that this time the price action can break out this resistance of this up channel as well, because it is moving up from this potential reversal zone. So it can move up with the more power, so it can be able to break out that level. So we can expect now the price action can move up after breaking out this resistance level to retest this support. Even you can see that the price action has retested this support with this spike. So it can, maybe it will be completely retest this support, or it will be moved more up to make another powerful bullish attempt to break out the resistance of the cup. And if we want the different simple moving averages on the daily chart with the time period of 25, 50, 100 and 200, then we were expecting that this 100 simple moving average will form a bull cross with this 200 simple moving average. And now finally we have received this bull cross, and after that we have the smallest time period moving average with the time period of 25 above all, then 50, then 100, then 200. Whenever we have the smallest time period moving average above all, then the biggest one, then the bigger one, and the biggest time period moving average below all, then this is called an open alligator mouth by the simple moving averages. This is a very strong bullish situation, and it can lift the price action more up now, and the price action has more stronger support to have a breakout from this resistance of the channel. Now I would like to show you this very important chart. If we watch in my previous chart that I have shared with you in my previous video as well, at that time we were here and the price action was having support of 50 and 25 simple moving average, and the resistance of the 100 simple moving average, and the resistance of this descending triangle as well. And now I'm playing this chart. The price action is now moved more up. At this time it is trying to break out this really very significant resistance level that is formed on the weekly chart. This is very big triangle that is formed on the long-term chart. If it will be broken out, then the price action turn very strong bullish. Now we have two resistance or hurdles for the price line of TRX. One is the 100 simple moving average, and before that we have this resistance of the descending triangle. But if we watch the support, then we have the 50 simple moving average and the 25 simple moving average. At this time, the 25 simple moving average is forming a golden cross with this 50 simple moving average. Once this smaller time period moving average will cross up this bigger time period moving average, that will be a very strong bullish signal and a very strong support as well. Because whenever the smaller time period moving average, I'm just telling you only for the people who don't know, whenever the smaller time period moving average crosses up the bigger time period moving average, it produces a bullish divergence or bullish power that produce the bullish divergence, and the price action moves more up. For example, we had this cross here, and after that you can see that the price action turned more bullish and reached up to this resistance of triangle. So we can expect after this bull cross that is almost formed, the price action will be able to break out this resistance of descending triangle. Now I'm going to show you another very positive bullish signal, that is the volume profile indicator. I'm just placing the complete volume profile on the complete price action moving within this descending triangle. Then we have a very weak support at even above the support of this triangle. Therefore, whenever the price action moves at the level where we have the weak traders interest, the price action moves up. At this time we have this point of control at this level of the triangle, almost at the center. For example, if I will place this trend line here at the level of the volume point of control of the volume profile, then we can see that, for example, if the price action will not break out or break down this support of this descending triangle and the resistance of the triangle, and it will be moving around this point of control, then we can expect that the price action can break out, or it can leave this triangle directionless, and it will be a kind of breakout as well, because the price action will leave the triangle from the resistance level. So after that we can expect a very powerful long-term bullish move by the price action. But for example, if the price action will break out this level, then we will see a very rapid move by the price line of TRON coin from this level up to this resistance of this bearish cloud. This is the Ichimoku cloud, and as in my previous video we have already seen that the price action was entering in this cloud, and soon it will be reached up to this level that is almost at 2.6 or 2.7 cents. We have already received a bull cross between the conversion line and the baseline just below the price action. You can see this bullish line has crossed up this bearish line, that is a bullish signal, and this lagging span has also crossed up the conversion and the baseline as well, and it has also not crossed up, it is crossing up at this time the candlesticks as well. Once it will be able to cross up these candlesticks and also this bearish cloud as well, then that will be more strong bullish signal. And at this time we can also see that this bearish cloud is turning bullish, and once the price action will be able to cross up this level of bearish cloud, then it can turn really very strong bullish on the long term, and even it can reach up to $1 as well. But first of all, the price action needs to cross up this Ichimoku bearish cloud. It needs to break out this cloud. So this is really very important movement for the TRX coin, as it is trying to break out this resistance of descending triangle, and at the same time we are having this very great event of KLV stacking that is expected on 31st August as per coinmarketcal.com. So this was the update so far by the price action of TRON coin. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel as well, and do share your comments, and do share my videos as well. Take care. Goodbye.